Hello everybody, I am Nate. In this video, I will show you what you can do to customize your vending machine, software and hardware. You can upload advertisement, picture or video to promote your product, both full screen advertisement and half screen advertisement. On the top of the screen, you can upload your company logo. At the product selection page, based on the SKU you have, you can select 5 products in one row or 4 products in one row. It can be one payment for one product only, or you can activate shopping cart function. And with shopping cart, customer can buy multiple products in one purchase, one payment. You can display all the products even though the product is already out of store, or you can hide the product which is already out of store. So for the customer, they don't see any product picture which is not available. If you want the machine to stop selling, you can remotely put the machine out of service. You can display product from every slot, even though for some slot they are selling the same kind of product, or make a combination. So customer will see all the available options but without slot number. On the left top of the product picture, there is a slot number, so customer can click the picture to buy from that slot. Or they can click the product search on the right button to select the slot number. On the right top of the screen, here we can upload a service number. Done. We just need to upload from our back-end server. For more features about our smart vending machine, please contact us. For hardware, what is your option to customize your vending machine? Slot design. Slot design we can make based on your requirement and product dimension. It can be spring, conveyor belt, and push. If your product is fragile, you can add an elevator system. Payment system, you can choose bill, coin, and card reader. We can integrate e-wallet also. We can add a receipt printer if required. We can print sticker for you to add your product or company information. Other customization requirement, please contact us.
Mano vending machine.